Hello friends, so we have seen in our last class how to show text on webcam, that height, width and other stuffs. So in today's class we are going to see how to handle mouse events. So let's first create the folder 6 class, then create a new file with the name mouse underscore event underscore OpenCV Python.py. Let's save it. So just few things we have to write it again. As you all know, we have to import library cv2, then import numpy as np. I will tell you later that why we are using numpy. So first of all, I want to show you that what type of events that are exist in our cv2 package, cv2 library. For that, I in directory we have to pass cv2. So directory is just is going to return the all event that we have. Now I'm passing one condition: if event, that event keyword is should be exist inside that particular value. Now let me show you what that events contain. So for that we have to run that particular file. So as you all know how the we will run mouse. Okay, we inside the wrong directory, so we entered in the right directory, then reset, then python 3 mouse tab, enter. So as you can, there these types of events we have: flag alt key, flag control key, event flag left button. So event flag left button and event flag right button we are going to use right now. So there are button up, button down. There are few events that we can learn later. So just right now we are using event that we can right left click mouse event or right click mouse event we are going to use. So for that we will create, first we have to create a black image. So we can see how can we create using numpy np dot zeros. Then we have to pass the parameter dimensions, then channel 3, then np dot u int 8. Now we have to show cv2.im show name of the image, we can say image, name of the frame we can say image, then our image, that's img. Let me check it will run or not using Sublime. I think maybe it will run or break. It's taking a little time. Yeah, it's running. So we no need to go to that particular terminal. Now what we are going to set, now we have to call cv2 dot set callback function, set mouse call back function. In this function we have to call another function that we are going to define in few minutes. Click event function, we can name as it click event function. Then cv2 dot wait key, so we can write it after defining our function to def click event. Now we have to pass the parameter. First we have to pass the parameter, as you all know, event, then coordinates x comma y coordinate, then flag, then param. Now first we have to check which event we have called. For that we have to event equals to cv2 equals to cv2 dot event underscore left button. So first we have to check what we have to do when our left button click of the mouse, event left button down. If so, we have to print the coordinates x comma space comma y. So now we have to convert that particular into string xy. We can store inside that variable, then strx, it's converted. Then we have to concatenate that particular x dimension with y dimension. So again we have to convert it into string stry. So yeah, that's it. Now cv2 dot put text, we have already learned this about this. So we have to put it over the image strxy. Then where we have to show it at that dimension that we are showing over here in str.xy variable. So we have to pass that same coordinate over here too, xy. Now we all know we have to show font. So for giving the font, we have to define the font first. Font equals to cv2 dot font hardly simplex font comma, then font width, then particular color 255 comma 255 comma 255, it's a white color. If you want you can change comma, then thickness, we are passing 2 as a thickness. Then cv2 dot im show, as we know we have to show the image comma img image. Now we have to do the same thing that we already do, cv2 dot wait key, then passing escape button, cv2 dot destroy all windows. Now let me run this. So we have a syntax error. So as you can see that str object has no attribute. We are getting some str object no attribute img. Okay, now you can see that we are getting a particular coordinate and going to print over here. So this is our left button down event, so we have to close it. Now I am going to write one more condition to fetch the bgr format. cv2 dot event left button. Now we are going to change L to R, to right button. Then we have to do the same thing, but little bit change is there. First we have to bgr means blue, so we have to fetch blue image x comma y comma the third channel is 0. So just copy it and paste blue, green, red. So 0 1 2 1 2. Now we are getting all these three str bgr. Then same thing we have to define font. So font we having the same, so we can write as a local variable inside our function, so we don't have to write it again and again. So str blue. Now we have to concatenate, so let me copy this again. Okay, we have copied it right now. Let me paste it. Now let me change it bgr. Now blue, green. We are not doing anything typical over here, just copy and paste that we already did above. So now concatenate str red. So yeah, now we have to do just put text and cv2.im show image that we had already did. Now just change a single variable str bgr xy, replace with bgr, then font, then to coordinate that particular. Yeah, that's it. Let me run. So we are getting some error. Okay, so issue is that we can't pass it as a tuple, we have to pass it as a list. Same thing we have to do over here also. Then for this too. Now we can say now run. Now as you can see that we are getting 0 0 0 we are getting because 0 0 define the black color and our whole screen is black, so we have to get some image over here. So we're reading the image. As you all know, we cv2.im read, so we don't have any image right now, so let me find the image. Okay, for this I have to open this file in another folder. File, open folder, open recent, so we can go Python. Okay, this Python contains nothing. File, open recent, Python. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Let me close this one then. So we have our folder somewhere over here. Yeah, you can see that we got again this. So I have somewhere image. Yeah, this image is okay. So dot slash we have to read the image. Dot slash. Again we have to part dot slash double slash because we have to get out of this folder. Then we have to enter inside wall, then slash, then download .jpg. It's a jpg format or something else, we have to see jpeg. Now let me run. Okay, I have to define the variable for it. img equals to. Now as you can see we have a small image. We are getting coordinates. Now we are getting that. Okay, we are not capable to see it, so we have to change the color. So I have to pass 0 and I have to take a little big image. Let me check over here. I don't have. What image is this? Okay, this one is fine. Let me rename it img.jpg. okay, img and then jpg. Let me run it now. Now we can see that Now you can say that we are getting that particular BGR format, blue, green, red, and we are getting the coordinate, we are getting the BGR format, and this is how the way to fetch particular coordinates and BGR format. So that's all, guys. Thank you for today. Now we will meet in our next class with a new topic, and we can see that later. Okay, thank you, guys. Bye.